Costa Rica has many active volcanoes that still erupt, as seen here in the dramatic night scene of Arenal volcano, the most active. The area around Arenal volcano offers great hiking or kayaking near La Fortuna waterfall and windsurfing or swimming in Arenal Lake. Two kids float down the Tabacon hot springs near Arenal volcano, where the river flows into pools, hot springs, waterfalls, and through tropical gardens. Poás volcano is another active volcano in the central highlands of Costa Rica. It has a crater that measures over 1 mile across and 1,000 feet deep. Volcanic activity has helped form Costa Rica's landscape. Here at Lava Beach in Corcovado National Park, large lava rocks meet the ocean waves. Along the Pacific coast of Costa Rica, you'll find quiet, deserted beaches such as this cove in Manuel Antonio National Park. A horseback rider enjoys a quiet stretch of beach near Tamarindo on the northern Pacific coast. You'll also find lots of action on the beaches, including surfing, snorkeling, windsurfing, and other water activities. This surfer rides the waves along Jaco Beach. Kayaking is a favorite water sport along the many beaches, coves, and rivers near the Costa Rican coast. These kayakers paddle along the Pacific coast near Jaco. Fishing is a popular sport in the Pacific waters. This young fisherman pulls in a blue marlin in Flamingo Bay. This factory, owned by the Chaverri Alpizar family, is where they make Carchi's traditional painted ox carts. It was Carlos Chaverri who reintroduced the traditional art of painting ox carts as his ancestors had done since the early 1900s. Observe the geometric shapes, the detailed designs, and the many bright colors used in painting this cart's wheel. These ox carts, used in the past primarily for transportation, are now a symbol of Costa Rica's history and traditional handicrafts.